Now, how can you download the Capcut on your iPad? Let's talk about it. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, at first, what you need to do is to go to your App Store as usual and click on the search bar at the top, right? So you click on the magnifying glass icon, right? And what you need to do is, of course, look up Capcut. It's going to show up right there. There are actually more apps which kind of look or try to imitate the same look while not being the original Capcut. But yeah, just download the original one like that, and you'll be able to just have it show up on your iPad. After you open it up for the first time, it will most likely ask you to give it access to your photos, which most definitely you need to do it because otherwise the app cannot access your videos for editing. However, if you choose it to don't allow or whatever, you can always return back to the settings, click on apps at the bottom where you can find the Capcut specific settings, and tap on the photos where you can additionally change the setting, right? So if it's set to none, either choose limited access where you specifically decide which photos and videos it can access, or I personally give it full access so I can work with every single video and photo file on my iPad. But yeah, the process is pretty much simple to get started with Capcut. However, I have so many tutorials and videos on this channel covering this software on the iPad, so make sure you subscribe and check out those videos so you do not miss them. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.